Okay, welcome back. Today we will learn variation part 4. Okay, today you need to learn how to solve a problem solving involving a direct variation. Okay, so only two examples for today. You need to know how to solve a solving problem. Okay, we look at the example 13. Okay, Charles' law. You have learned about Charles' law before. Okay, in physics, Charles' law states that for a fixed mass of a gas, the volume V, okay, dia bagi simbol V dekat sini, cikgu bulatkan circle kan V of the gas is a directly proportional. So bila directly proportional, ingat simbol ikan dekat sini. Okay, directly proportional, simbol ikan dekat sini, to its absolute temperature. So simbol dia T, and you need to keep reminder this is Kelvin. Temperature is in Kelvin in this question. If the pressure of the gas is fixed, so full stop. Daripada statement ni saja, you need to change to the symbol. So V is directly proportional to T kan. So kita keluarkan dalam bentuk symbol V is directly proportional to T. So after that you change to equation V is equals to KT. Okay. And then what you need to do next? Okay. It is given that a container contains a 30 centimeter cube of gas. So centimeter cube of gas, this is a volume. Okay, nampak tak unit sama centimeter cube, ini pun sama centimeter cube. So we just substitute 30 in this V. Dalam V tak ada masalah. K kita carry forward, but the value of T, temperature ni, tengok betul-betul Kelvin, but the given value is a 30 degree Celsius. So what you need to change from degree Celsius to Kelvin. Okay, kalau kamu tengok at the bottom question, dia ada formula dekat sini. Okay, so formula untuk tukar dalam unit Kelvin adalah kita tambahkan dengan 273. So the value of the degree Celsius V plus by 273, you will get the value in a Kelvin. Okay, jadi that's why dekat sini temperature ni cikgu letak 273 tambah 30. So you calculate K is equals to final, you akan dapat 10/101. So final answer for this equation is V is equals to 10/101T. Okay, you sudah dapat jawapan akhir. Okay, for question B, calculate the volume in a centimeter cube of the gas if the temperature change to -11. Okay, V is equals to 10/101T. Okay, di mana K kita carry forward K, cuma T temperature ni kita kena ubah, ya. Maksudnya nilai dia bagi -11, so 273 plus. So asalnya dekat sini adalah plus. Okay, plus dengan -11. So plus and minus kita akan dapat minus. Okay, so itu je, simple je. Jadi kamu akan dapat jawapan akhir V is equals to 25.94. So actually nampak tak? Soalan ni kamu jangan terus skip. Faham betul-betul soalan. Kalau kamu faham betul-betul soalan, barulah kamu akan dapat jawapan dengan betul. Jangan terus buang soalan, jangan terus blacklist soalan. You need to try to do the solving problem. Okay, so we look at the final example for today. Okay, it is quite difficult. Madam Soon saved her money in a saving account. It is given that the interest, so interest simbolnya adalah I, capital I, receive a varies directly. Okay, ini simbol ikan, as the principal P, simbol P di sini, and the period of the year T of the savings. Okay, period T. So ini full stop. So daripada perkataan yang pertama ni, you need to change in the symbol. So I is a directly proportional, is a varies directly, adalah variously proportional, ya. As the principal P and then T, ini saja. After that, barulah kamu follow the next step. You change symbol to equation I is equals to KPT. Okay, so itu yang paling basic. After that, you need to get the value of K. What's the value for K? You need to substitute. Okay, Madam Soon received an interest of 200. Interest 200 is I. K is K. Kita nak cari. Apa lagi dia bagi nilai? Save 4,000. So 4,000 is actually P. P is the principal. Principal maksudnya nilai yang dimasuk. Okay, 4,000. And then for 2 years. 2 years ni adalah berapa tahun? So this is actually T. Ini adalah untuk T. Masukkan dekat T dekat sini. So you rearrange, you akan dapat K is equal to 0.025. Okay, bila kita dapat nilai 0.025, so I is equal to 0.025 PT. So PT. So inilah formula akhir kita. Okey, ini jawapan akhir kita. Okey, tapi belum lagi dapat jawapan soalan A. Kalau kamu tengok soalan A, calculate the period of a saving for Madam Soon to receive. Ada soalan tanya berapa tempoh. Okay, period. To receive an interest. So, interest simbolnya tadi apa? Simbol I kan? Interest I. So, masukkan I 650. Nampak tak ni I? Kita carry forward dekat sini 650. 0.025 carry forward sebab nilai K, P. P berapa nilai diberi? Okay, principal. Dia dah bagi direct. Principal 5,200. You substitute P 5,200 and then T you need to calculate. You need to find. So, kita rearrange. T kamu akan dapat calculate the final answer is 5 years. So dapat jawapan akhir 5 tahun. Okay, tak comel cikgu punya ni tanda right ni, cikgu padang set. Alright. So ini adalah jawapan akhir kamu 5 tahun. Selesai. Okay, kita tengok soalan B. Madam Soon wants to get the same amount of interest. Maksudnya dia nak same amount. Interest tak berubah. Okay, yang ni kata kunci untuk soalan ni. But, ada perkataan tetapi. But reduce the period of her saving. So, period ni adalah T kan? So, T kita nak pendekkan. Okay. Her savings, does she need increase or decrease her principal? Explain your answer. Okay. Daripada sini, cikgu mula-mula cikgu carry forward, ambil balik persamaan sebelum ni, I sama dengan 0.025 PT kan. Okay, reason cikgu adalah di sini. Terus cikgu punya jawapan akhir ni yang ni. Okay, so my answer is when P increases, T decreases. So my answer is, okay, kalau kamu tengok dekat sini, kita nak kekalkan I is fixed. So I jangan ubah. So bila kita nak balancekan sebelah kiri ni, sebelah kanan ada P dengan T kan. So kalau P, dia macam fizik. So, kalau P meningkat, nak jadi balance, okay, nilai T, comelnya T cikgu, okay, nilai T mesti turun. So, dia mesti equals, mesti balance. Okay, jadi, kenapa cikgu ambil jawapan yang akhir? Sebab apa? Soalan dia bagi tahu dekat sini, he want to reduce the period of saving. So, bila nilai T ni berubah, P akan meningkat. So, final answer is, my answer is Madam Soon or she need to increase her principal. That's my answer for B. I repeat, she need to increase her principal because the period of saving is decreases or reduce. Okay, that's all for today. Thank you.